Hi, I'm John Drawdy. I'm the owner of Paragon Accounting and Tax Solutions in Woodstock, Georgia. We've been with Rob and Wendy since the beginning of 2023, so just over 2 years now. In that time frame, we have gone from a little under $2 million in revenue to over $3 million in revenue. So that's been a 50%, over 50% increase. And while we've been doing that, we've only increased our headcount by 20% from 10 to 12. And we have only increased our clients by 10% because one of the things Rob and Wendy have helped us with is developing premium packages that we're able to deliver better results to our client for higher average hourly rates and much higher client satisfaction as well. So another thing that's pretty important about this is, revenue's up 50%, but profits are also up over 50%. And I worked fewer than 1,000 hours last year. And that's not chargeable hours, that's total hours. Fewer than 1,000. I worked 0 chargeable hours, and I don't even have tax software on my computer anymore. So Rob and Wendy have helped us with team structure, developing premium packages, and a slew of other things as well. But another great thing about Boardroom is the community. A lot of like-minded accountants that you can sit down with and hash things out and help each other. So if you're thinking about Boardroom, I suggest you talk to Rob and Wendy because you're never going to know if you don't make that call. Have a great day.